So I just ran across this cool product that's simple to install inside of your Tesla, and it will spruce up your cabin. And I am talking about the EVBASE Model 3 and Model Y real carbon fiber steering wheel cover trim. They have a plethora of different accessories for your Tesla, and you can get 15% off of any accessory on their website by using the promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. And I'm going to link all of that information down below. And this carbon fiber is heat resistance, corrosion resistance, high strength, stable, and it's also difficult to deform. Yes, look here, I'm pushing on it right now and it is barely even moving. And unlike other products like this out on the market that has adhesive inside of here, there is no adhesive. This right here has a thin layer of silicone that will attach right here to your steering wheel in order to ensure that it's not going to slip and slide along the way. And this is also protecting your steering wheel over time, because the more that you handle your steering wheel inside of your Tesla, you will begin to see wear and tear on that leather material. So I'm not going to belabor the point. I know what you're here for. So let's go on and install this on the Tesla steering wheel. All right, so it comes with two different parts here. So what we're going to do is line it up, and it is going to be a little tight squeeze here. So all we're going to do is pull it up here. And what I found out is that you want to start at the top here, and you want it to just go right along and just push it on in. It is going to be a very tight fit, but again, you don't want it to slide. So this is showing a very wonderful craftsmanship. All right, so right here, what we did is that we went on and just knocked it in. And I will say it's not easy, but it is a simple install. And one thing that I failed to mention at the beginning, you see here on your carbon fiber, you have a short side and also you have a longer side. So the longer side, you want to put it at the top of the crease right here on your steering wheel. And with the black interior inside of your Tesla, this steering wheel will really enhance your cabin. And you can get this accessory and any other accessory for your Tesla at EVBASE.com when you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. And check out the top video right over there for more accessories that you can accessorize with your Tesla. And the other video over there, 11 common mistakes that even Tesla owners know they're not making with their Tesla. Check it out right over there, and I will see you in the next video.